Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Trinidadian curry egg and aloo. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 6 hard-boiled eggs, 2 medium potatoes cut into 1-inch cubes, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and 1 onion finely chopped. You'll also need garlic, ginger, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. This flavorful dish is perfect for a hearty meal. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a sturdy pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger, sautéing until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder, cooking it for about 2 minutes to toast the spices and release their full aroma. Once your curry base is fragrant, pour in 2 cups of water or vegetable broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Now, carefully add your 1-inch cubed potatoes to the pot. Let them cook in the curry for about 15 minutes or until they are tender when pierced with a fork. Finally, gently place your 6 hard-boiled eggs into the simmering curry, allowing them to absorb the flavors for another 5 minutes. Your delicious Trinidadian curry, egg and aloo, is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro or chopped scallions for a burst of color and freshness. This hearty and flavorful meal pairs perfectly with warm roti, fluffy rice, or even a simple piece of sada roti. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. It's the perfect way to keep your car smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.